guys! We were talking about the top 10 favorite places in the Philippines. So without further ado, let's go. Firstly is the El Nido, Palawan. El Nido, Palawan is located to the Palawan in the Philippines. It's also known as to the small lagoon and other heritage like coral reefs and rocks formation like this and resort water villas like that. So that is the first. The Manawi Rice Terraces in the Philippines are known for their stunning hand-carved landscape that date back over 2,000 years and built by the Ifugao people. These terraces are often called the Eighth Wonder of the world because of their engineering brilliance and cultural significance. They are recognized for sustaining farming, cultural heritage, tourism, and scenic beauty. The Manawi Rice Terraces are UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Filipino resilience and ingenuity. Thirdly, the Igorot Stone Kingdom in Baguio City, Philippines is known for its impressive stone structures and cultural significance. It is a stone park inspired by Igorot culture, legends, and histories, featuring intricately stuck stones and sculpture that showcase the ingenuity of the Igorot. Fourthly, the Boracay. Boracay is known for its whitey sand, beaches, crystal clear water, and vibrant nightlife. It is one of the most famous tourist destinations in the Philippines, particularly White Beach, which is often ranked among the best beaches in the world. Aside from its scenery, Boracay is also known for water activities, puka, shell beaches. Fifthly, the Cagayan. Cagayan is known for its rich culture, breathtaking natural landscape, and adventure tourism. It is located in the northern part of the Luzon, Philippines, and is famous for Palau Island, a stunning island with white sand beaches and crystal clear water. Calao Cave, a beautiful cave system limestone formation. Apari and Cagayan River, the longest river in the Philippines. Historical and religious sites such as Basilica Minoria of Our Lady of Piat, waterfalls and ecotourism spots like Cabilahalis, delicious local cuisine and pancit batil patong and popular noodle dish. Sixthly, the Bohol is known for its natural wonder, rich history, and unique wildlife. It is famous for Chocolate Hills, a geological formation of a 1,000 cone-shaped hills. Second, the Tarsiers. Tarsiers are the ones found in Bohol. And lastly, the white sand beaches in Bohol, especially in Panglao. Seventhly, the Siargao. Siargao is known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, famous for its world-class waves, especially at Cloud9, which attracts surfers from around the globe. Aside from surfing, the island is known for its stunning white beaches, lagoon, rock pools, island hopping, and vibrant nightlife. It has also boasts Sugma Bowl Lagoon, Magpupungko Rock Falls, Sohoton Cove, and Naked Island, making it the top destination for adventure seekers and nature lovers. And that is the Siargao City. Thank you. Italy, Batanes. Batanes is known for its breathtaking landscape, rolling hills, rugged cliffs, and traditional Ibatan culture. It is the northern province of the Philippines and is famous for Marlboro Hills stone houses, honesty coffee shops, lighthouses, Samtang in Cabna Island, strong winds and typhoons, the province is recognized for its peaceful and resilient community, making it the safest and most beautiful destination in the Philippines, and that is the Batanes province. 19. The Doña Remedios Trinidad. Doña Remedios Trinidad is a municipality in Bulacan, Philippines, known for ecotourism and nature attraction. DRT is famous for its lush forests, waterfalls, and mountains, making it a great destination for hikers and nature lovers. Popular spots include Tila Pilon Hills, Talon Pari Falls, and Berja Falls. Adventure. Lastly, the Mount Arayat. Mount Arayat is a dormant stratovolcano in Pampanga, Philippines, known for mythology and folklore. It is believed to be home of Apong Sinukuan. Secondly, hiking and adventure. A popular hiking destination, it is a two main peaks, North Peak and South Peak. Scenic view offers panoramic views of Central Luzon, including Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, and Tarlac. Arayat National Park, a protected area with lush forests. Hi guys! I hope you enjoy watching my video. For more video like this, please subscribe and like and share. So without further ado, let's end this. Bye-bye guys!
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha,